up, guys? You got your boy Rocket coming back at you with another episode of Rocket Power. Here we go, last minute trip. Decided to make a trip to Denton, go watch the truck shootout. They had full-size truck, they had small-size truck, and went out there with Mr. Bobby Hill himself. Go ahead and give that dude a subscribe and like. Go find his channel. It is Bobby Hill Outdoors. It's on YouTube. Check him out on Facebook, Instagram, and everything else. Anyways, we met up with Bobby at the track, and Lee was there with his little Chevy Love, and the dude ended up taking the win. 27 trucks raced his way all the way to the top. Sorry about the footage. It sucks. I had to do it with my phone. I made the trip halfway there, realized I didn't have any of my cameras on me or nothing like that, and I didn't want to drive all the way back. So, bear with us. But for my stupidity, you gotta go hit the like button, and then you gotta go leave a comment, and then you gotta hit the little subscribe button, and then let me know what else y'all want. We got some bigger stuff in store. We got some stuff coming up. So stay with us, check out the footage, holler back at us here in a little bit. Pow. Lee gonna get that by?
Oh, hold on.
What do you get?
Look like.
Huh? Oh!
Damn it, what do you got? Good, ain't it? Come on.